Don't you hate that feeling of constantly carrying a power adapter everywhere, plugging cords from your external monitors to available outlets? Isn't there a simpler way to accomplish all this in one? Well, allow me to introduce to you the Kensington USB-C SD 4500 docking station. It's a mystical black box filled with magical powers. It has the ability of extending to multiple monitors at the same time. From the front view, we have a power icon to indicate the dock is plugged in. Usually lights up green, pretty lit, with built-in support for your microphone, headphone, and USB ports.
No. Yeah! That was legitness! Yeah, it was, huh?
From the rear, you have the power adapter, USB-C ports, display port, HDMI port, Ethernet port, and lastly, USB ports. The last things provided in the box are a USB-C cable, different types of power adapters, depending on your country, power adapter, and bagels from Costco, if you're lucky. It's time for the real test. I'll be using my two Dell monitors, with the left one using the display port, and the other using the HDMI port. Let's take a look. In the comments below, what do you hear? Yanni or Laurel? And stay tuned
On the next Dragon Ball Z.